Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Kharajki Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session we have started new lesson, that is time, and also we have seen exercise 4.1. Now today we are going to see the next part, that is time interval. So open your textbook and keep in front of you page number 51. So look at the board now. Here time interval. This is how Satish spent the hour between 5 to 6 o'clock. Now here one boy is there and the name of that boy is Satish. This is how Satish spent, how the Satish spent the hour between 5 to 6 o'clock. That all the activities they are given us. Okay. Now see here first one. How long did Satish take to have his tea? Now see here. He has started at 5 o'clock and till 5:10 he have taken tea. So what is the question? How long did Satish take to have his tea? See, from 5 to 5:10. Yes, here in this clock the minute hand it is on 2, means 2 5s are 10, means what is this time? 5:10. Okay, and here he has started at 5 o'clock. So from 5 to 5:10 means how long did Satish take to have his tea? Yes, from 5 to 5:10 means 10 minutes. Okay, next here in this picture, for how long did he read? See, he has started from 5:10. Now see here, he has started from 5:10. At 5:10 he has started to read the book till 5:20. Here in this clock what is the time? 4 5s are 20, means 5:20. From 5:10 to 5:20 he has read his book. So for how long did he read? From 5:10 to 5:20 means what is the time? Yes, 10 minutes, correct. So we'll write here 10 minutes, 5:10 to 5:20. Next, then see the third example, third picture. In the third picture, here, for how long did Satish help his mother? Now see here, from 5:20. Here what is the time in this clock? The minute hand it is on 4. 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. From 5:20 to here, now in this clock, see what is the time? It is on minute hand, it is on 9. So 9 5s are 45 and hour hand it has crossed 5, means here 5:45. Okay, from 5:20 to 5:45. So what is the time? For how long did Satish help his mother? Yes, 25 minutes, correct. From 45 you have to subtract 20 minutes. So 25 minutes help his mother. Next, last picture, see here, at what time did he start watching television? Now see, he has started to watching television at 5:45. Okay, see here 5:45. So here we'll write 5:45. Now till 6 o'clock he was watching the television. Here till 6 o'clock he was watching television. Now the next question is, for how long did he watch television? See, from 5:45 to 6 o'clock means how many minutes? Yes, 15 minutes, correct. So here we'll write 15. Understood? Okay. Now turn the page Now we will see conversion of time. How to convert the time. This is very important point of this topic. Fill in the blanks. 1 day is equal to dash dash hours. Now you know very well 1 day is equal to how many hours? How many hours are there in 1 day? Yes, in 1 day there are 24 hours. How many hours are there? 24 hours. Okay, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now 1 hour is equal to dash minutes. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Yes, 60 minutes. Correct. So we'll write here 60. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Say along with me. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. And 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 day is equal to 24 hours and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, okay. Now see the example number 1. How many hours are there in 6 days? See, what is the question? How many hours are there in 6 days? First, what we have to write? We have to write 1 day is equal to how many hours, that we have to write. So here 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay. Now what is the question? How many hours are there in 6 days? So here in the next step we will write 6 days is equal to 6 into 24. Why we have to multiply it by 24? Because 1 day is equal to 24 hours and these 6 days we have to convert into hours. See, if we have to convert days into hours, if we have to convert days into hours, then we have to multiply it by 24. Okay, we have to multiply that number by 24 because 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So here 6 days is equal to 6 into 24. Now if we will do the multiplication, the answer will come 144 hours. Okay, 6 into 24 you can do at your home. 6 into 24, 140 is equal to 144 hours. Now see the example number 2. Read the question. How many hours are there in a week? What is the question? How many hours are there in a week? Means we have to convert the days of the week in hours. So for that first we will write 1 week is equal to how many days? How many days are there in a week? In a week there are 7 days. Okay, so here we will write 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days because here what is the question? How many hours are there in a week? See here, these two words you have to see carefully. How many hours are there in a week? Now here in a week first we will write how many days are there. Okay, so in a week 1 week is equal to 7 days. In a week there are 7 days. Okay, so here we will write 1 week is equal to 7 days. Now 1 day, here 7 days we got. Okay, now these days first we will convert into hours. Okay, so here 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours because we have to convert into hours. So here 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now hours in a week is equal to 7 into 24 because 7 days are there. Okay, in a week 7 days are there. So 7 into 24 is equal to 168 hours. So in a week how many hours are there? In a week there are 168 hours. Okay, clear, understood? Okay, now see this third example. Read the question. How many minutes are there in a day? How many minutes are there in a day? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. How many minutes are there in a day? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now what is the question? How many minutes are there in a day? In a day means what? We have to multiply it by 24 because in a day there are 24 hours, okay, and that 24 hours we have to convert into minutes. So here minutes in a day is equal to 24 into 60. Now do the multiplication. After multiplication you will get the answer 1440 minutes. Okay, so in a day how many minutes are there? In a day 1440 minutes are there. Okay, okay. Now see the next example. Example number 4. How many minutes are there in 5 hours and 45 minutes? Same way, first you have to write, see here, minutes and hours. Okay, these two words you have to focus on that two words. How many minutes are there in 5 hours and 45 minutes? Now these hours we have to convert into minutes. So first we will write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 5 hours is equal to how many minutes? 5 into 60, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 5 hours is equal to 5 into 60, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 5 hours is equal to 5 into 60. 5 into 60 is equal to 300 minutes. 5 into 60 is equal to 300. So 300 minutes in 5 hours. Now our question is 5 hours and 45 minutes is equal to how many minutes? So here we will write 5 hours 45 minutes is equal to. Now 5 hours is equal to what? 300 minutes. So here we will write 300 plus these 45 just we will add. Okay. So 300 plus 45 is equal to 345 minutes. Understood? Okay. Okay. Shall we move to the next exercise? Okay. Now see the exercise 4.2. See a question, convert into hours. Convert into hours, and the first one is 5 days. These 5 days we have to convert into hours. Okay. What is the question? Convert into hours. 5 days. 5 days. Okay. First what we will do? 1 day is equal to, we will write 1 day is equal to what? Yes students, 1 day is equal to how many hours? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Correct? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Because the question is convert into hours. We have to convert that days, given days, into hours. So here we will write 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now 5 days is equal to, 5 days is equal to what? 5 into 24. 5 into 24. Okay. Now do the multiplication. We will do the multiplication here. 24 into 5. 5 4s are 20. Okay. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. What is the answer? 120. Okay. So here we will write 120 hours. Yes. See, to convert days into hours, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 24. Okay. If we want to convert days into hours, then we have to multiply it by 24. So here 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 5 days is equal to 5 into 24 hours. Okay. So after multiplication we will get the answer, that is 120 hours. 5 days is equal to what? 120 hours. Next, 2 number. What is the question? 10 days. 10 days. We have to convert 10 days into hours. Very simple. What is the first step? See, always you have to read the question carefully. What is the question? Convert into hours. Convert into hours. Here days are there. They had given us days, and that days we have to convert into hours. So first what we will write? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. If 1 day is equal to 24 hours, then 10 days is equal to what? 10 into 24. Okay, 10 into 24. Very easy. In the multiplication lesson you have learned, okay, how to multiply by 10, 100, 1000. Okay, 24 into 1, 24, and just you have to give 1 0. So 10 into 24, 240 hours. So 10 days is equal to 240 hours. Understood? Okay. Now we'll move to the third example, 30 days. See here, 30 days. Here days are there, and these days we have to convert into hours. So what is the first step? 1 day is equal to 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now here how many days are there? 30 days are there. So 30 days is equal to what you will do? Just you have to multiply it by 24 to the given days. Okay, here 30 days are there. So 30 into 24 or 24 into 30. Now do the multiplication. 24 into 3 first you do, and then we'll give only 1 0. 24 into 3. Yes, 3 4s are 12. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 24 into 3 72, and here 1 0 is there, so we will give 1 0. So 30 days is equal to how many hours? 720 hours. 30 days is equal to 720 hours. Okay, next, now we will see the next example, that is 10 number. Okay, 112 days. Here 112 days. Before that, one more example we will take. 9th number, 1 year. 1 year. Now this 1 year we have to convert into, yes, 1 year we have to convert into hours. Okay, so first what we will write? 1 year is equal to how many days are there in 1 year? In 1 year there are 365 days. What we will write? 1 year is equal to 365 days. Now these 365 days easily you can convert into hours. How? 1 day is equal to 24 hours, because here we have converted this 1 year into days. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Okay, now here we got days. Okay, and these days we have to convert into hours. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now how many days are there? Here we have 365 days, means 1 year. Okay, so here we will write 365 days is equal to, yes, 365 into 24. Now here I will show you the multiplication. 365 into 24. First do the multiplication. 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. Then carry 2. 4 6s are 24 plus 2 26. Okay. Then 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. Now here we have to give 1 minus 0. Then 2 5s are 10. So carry 1 here. Okay. Then 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13. Again carry 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now do the addition. 0, 6, 4 plus 3, 7. 1 plus 7, 8. What is the answer? 8760. Okay, so here we'll write 365 days is equal to 8760 hours. Understood? 8760. Now we'll move to the next example, that is 112 days. Now what is the first step? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay. Now here we have 112 days. So that 112 days we have to convert into hours. So what we will do? 112 days is equal to 112 into 24 hours. Okay. Now do the multiplication. Here I will show you the multiplication. 112 into 24. Now 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. Then 4 1s are 4. Here also 4 1s are 4. Then here we will give minus 0. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. Then you have to do the addition. Do the addition. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Here also 4 plus 2, 6. And this 2 as it is. So what is the multiplication? What is the answer? 2688 hours. Okay. What we have done here? 112 days we have to convert into hours. So here we have to do the multiplication because 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 112 days is equal to 112 into 24 hours. So after multiplication here we got the answer 2688 hours. So 112 days is equal to 2688 hours. Okay. Now see the next example, 11th number, 2 days and 4 hours. Now here we have to convert this 2 days and 4 hours into hours. Okay. So what is the first step? First we will write 1 day is equal to, 1 day is equal to how many hours? Yes, 24 hours. So here we will write 24 hours. If 1 day is equal to 24 hours, then 2 days is equal to what? 2 days is equal to 2 into 24. Okay, or 24 into 2. Yes, 2 into 24 is equal to 48 hours. Okay. Now what is the question? 2 days and 4 hours. So here we will write, so 2 days and 4 hours. This we have to convert into hours only. So 2 days is equal to how many hours here we got? 48 hours. So here we will write 48. Then plus this 4 hours we will keep as it is. So here we will write 4 hours. Now do the addition. 48 plus 4. Yes, 48 plus 4, 52 hours. So 2 days and 4 hours is equal to 52 hours. Clear? How to solve this example? 2 days and 4 hours we have to convert into hours. So first we will write 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 2 days is equal to 2 into 24. 2 into 24, 48 hours. So 2 days is equal to 48 hours. But here the question is 2 days and 4 hours. So in 48 again we have to add this 4 hours. So we will get the answer 52 hours. So 2 days and 4 hours is equal to 52 hours. Okay. Now see the next example, that is 12th number, 3.5 days. See here, 3.5 day. See. Okay. Now here 3.5 day we have to convert into day, hours. Okay. So first we will write here 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay. Now here 3 and a half day. So here first we will write 3 days is equal to 24 into 3. Okay. Now 24 into 3, yes, do the multiplication. 3 4s are 12. So we will write here 2, 1 as a carry. Keep this carry in your mind. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 72 hours. 3 days is equal to what? 72 hours. But the question is 3 and a half day. Now half day is equal to what? Half day. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So half day means, yes, half of 24 hours. What is the half of 24? 12. So here half day is equal to 12 hours. Okay. So here we will write 3 days, 3 and a half day is equal to 3 and a half day is equal to, now 3 days is equal to what? 72. Okay. Plus half day is equal to 12 hours. So here we will write 12 hours. Now you have to do the addition only. 72 plus 12. Yes, 2 plus 2 4 and 7 plus 1 8. That is 72 plus 12, 84 hours. Okay, clear? 3 days and a half day is equal to what? First you have to calculate 3 days is equal to how many hours? 3 days is equal to how many hours? 72 hours, because 24 into 3 if we will do, we will get the answer 72 hours. Then in that we have to add half day. Now half day is equal to 12 hours. So 3 days and a half day is equal to 72 plus 12, that is 84 hours. Okay. Now one more example is remaining, that is 10 days and 5 hours. 13 number, 10 days and 5 hours. Okay. In this way only you have to solve this example. Now see here, 10 days. First we will write 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay. So 10 days is equal to what? 10 days is equal to 24 into 10. 24 into 10, yes, 240 hours. Okay. See what we got here. 10 days is equal to 24 into 10, because 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 10 days is equal to 24 into 10, that is 240 hours. Then here the question is 10 days and 5 hours. So here we will write 10 days and 5 hours is equal to, now here 10 days is equal to 240 hours. So here we will write 240 plus 5 hours. Now simple addition we have to do. 240 plus 5, that is 245 hours. Okay. 10 days and 5 hours is equal to 245 hours. Clear how to solve this type of example? Okay. Now once again see here, 112 days, this you have to convert into hours. So what we have done here, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now 112 days is equal to 112 into 24 hours. Now here you have to do the multiplication. After multiplication you will get this answer, that is 112 days is equal to 2688 hours. Now see this, 2 days and 4 hours. First you have to convert this 2 days into hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 2 days is equal to 2 into 24. 2 into 24, 48 hours. Now in that 48 you have to add this 4 hours again. So 48 plus 4, 52 hours. So 2 days and 4 hours is equal to 52 hours. Now see this 12th number example, 3.5 days. Again the first step, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then this 3 days you have to convert into hours. So 3 days is equal to 24 into 3, 72 hours. In that again you have to add half day. Now half day means what? Half day is equal to 12 hours. So 72 plus 12 means 3.5 day. Then do the addition, 72 plus 12, 84 hours. Now the last example was 10 days and 5 hours. In this case also, here also you have to convert 10 days into hours first. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 10 days is equal to 24 into 10, that is 240 hours. Then in 240 hours you have to add this 5 hours also, because the question is 10 days and 5 hours. So in 240 you have to add 5 hours. Now do the addition. Then you will get the answer, that is 10 days and 5 hours is equal to 245 hours. Clear? Okay. So in this way today we have completed exercise 4.2. In the next session we will see the next. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.